Hi everyone! Welcome back to Bona's Kitchen. And since Christmas is coming up soon, I'm going to share today a very easy fruitcake recipe. It is a popular cake, especially during the holiday season. Are you ready? Let's get baking! We will need 1 1/2 cup of plain flour, 1 1/2 cup of mixed glazed fruits, 3 medium eggs at room temperature, half cup of apple juice, or you can also use brandy or rum, 1 cup of chopped walnuts, half cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3/4 cup of dark brown sugar, half teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of nutmeg, half teaspoon of salt, 1 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can also check the full list of ingredients in the description below. In a bowl, add the butter, sugar, and cream them together until light and fluffy. Then, gradually add the eggs and continue beating. Scrape the sides of the bowl and add the apple juice. Then, set this aside. In another bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, nutmeg, ginger powder, salt, and cinnamon. And give it a whisk. Add in the chopped walnuts and the mixed fruits. And mix them together. Add it into the wet ingredients and continue beating until well incorporated. Scrape the sides of the bowl and pour it into a loaf pan greased and lined with parchment paper. Spread it evenly. And if you have extra walnuts, put some on top as decoration. But this is optional. And if you have glazed cherries as well, you can add it on top. But if you don't have, it's okay without as well. Bake this in a preheated oven of 150 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. After baking, transfer it into a wire rack to completely cool. And here's our finished product! You can eat the fruitcake right away once it has cooled down, or you can brush it with rum or brandy to mature it. Smells so nice! And this is what it looks like inside. This fruitcake is so delicious, but it's also very easy to make. I hope you're going to try this recipe. Please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you for watching and have a very Merry Christmas. Bye!